Total solutions for any mix, any volume. All managed by Panasim Enterprise Edition. Panasonic. Total solutions beyond SMT.
Welcome to the Nordson booth here at IPC Apex. I'm joined by Eckhard Schwerschneider, of course.
Very well done.
Yeah, who, of course, is the CEO, president of MatriX Technologies, which is the latest addition to the Nordson family. So, welcome, Eckhard.
Thank you, Trevor. Give us the chance to talk a little bit about our products and also of this new constellation we have.
Absolutely. So, I mean, Nordson has quite a suite of different inspection companies involved in the inspection division, you know, from YesTech and Dage, of course. But you're bringing in the high-end inline X-ray component to that. How do you see that fitting into the Nordson family?
Trevor, I think it's a really logical step. Basically, MatriX is joining the test and inspection group from Nordson, which already has AOI system and also call it manual X-ray with Dage offline. So to enter the AXI high-speed market, of course, was a logical step, and I have to say it's a very good fit. Yes, not only from the market coverage, what is in the future, of course, also for the automatic inline machines, but also from the product itself. So we have a Dage very high resolution analyzing X-ray machine. So our part is definitely speed, okay, to have focusing really on inline applications.
Yeah, I'm sure there'll be many things that you'll leverage off of this relationship that will help in terms of engineering input, R&D spend, and that type of thing. But right now we've got your latest X3 machine behind us. It's an X3 with a hash after the name. Can you perhaps tell our viewers exactly what that means and what's different about the X3?
Okay, so last year we introduced the X2 and X2.5 hash. So this year, and this is the first exhibition, we have now the X3 hash here. The 3 means for us 3D and 2.5 obviously 2.5D. Okay, so but why developed we a hash platform versus our existing X2, X2.5, X3? This platform now is much more universal for application use. So we can use this similar to the X2, X2.5 for high-speed SMT, but also for modules or complete products. So in respect of the clearance of the machine, we can run complete modules up to 100 millimeter height. So this system, so this opens up a market which we call final assembly and test. So the platform in the moment is maybe 50-50 for SMT, but also for final assembly test. And we are working right now on an additional application direction, which is going to the semi-backend. So also for this machine is very flexible to put a handling in for substrates where we can do wire bond test with X-ray. So I think we are one of the first companies really digging in AXI for wire bond, and this is a strategic, very interesting market in the moment.
Absolutely. I mean, that makes the machine extremely versatile. So to accommodate that, you're going to basically bring in pallets that are going to be designed to hold the substrates so that you can inspect them.
And run pallets, trays for substrates, and also up to really heavy modules. You can even run castings, which is if you want to.
So, I mean, previously your X-ray systems were very centered on the automotive industry. So this is going to widen you out into a whole branch of different applications, really.
That's correct.
So has this had any other effects? I mean, I believe there was also a cost-effective change in this new machine.
Of course, this is for a lot of customers maybe one of the key points. Yes, this new design with the platform was not only to have a wider technical range, but also we did optimizations on the motion, on the whole setup. So there will be around 15-20% cost savings versus the same model X3. Okay. We still maintain the X2.5, X3 for the automotive market because of the extreme speed. So this machine has a little bit less speed, but again, is much more flexible for any application. Yes, there's cost savings significant on this platform.
Excellent. Okay. So is the X3 out yet, or is that coming? Is that the next thing to come out? Because this is the X3 hash.
The X3 hash is the X2.5. You know, all our machines can use the full range of AXI technologies. Means transmission, angle shots, oblique view, and also 3D. So that means the 3D was a logical step to add on the existing X2.5 platform because 3D, of course, for a lot of customers of double-sided boards is still a must. Okay, but we prefer the mixed. So that means we try to use the technology what is best for this product. Could be a X2.5, X3 mix. It could be sometimes also a 2D 2.5 mix. So.
Now, I know you've got a lot of plans going forward for the development of the system. Do you want to talk about some of these, or shall we leave that for the next time we talk?
Maybe I give you one more input. Of course, with our constellation now in Nordson, as having Dage and MatriX in the X-ray group of test and inspection, we plan to implement Dage components. So first will be the Dage super high resolution tube. So in the moment we can go down up to 3-4 micron resolution. With the Dage tube obviously you can go under 1 micron up down to 500 nano. So and this will, especially for the semi backend market, very interesting. So this is the first one, and also on the detector area we plan to work together now. So we have a few joint projects, makes sense of course, and it looks very fruitful so far.
Well, Eckhard, congratulations, and thank you very much for talking to us today. Thank you.
It was a pleasure.